drilling into a rep's activity in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the full picture on one rep, their summary numbers, activity timeline, and open pipeline, so you're ready for a one-on-one. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM Manager from your dashboard. This page gives you the full picture on one rep, everything they've logged and everything they're working in one place. You get here by clicking a rep's name from the leaderboard or the digest. Up top, summary numbers for the period, total activities, and pipeline value, so you get the headline before the detail. It's the fast read on whether this rep is ahead of pace or behind. Below that, scroll their actual activity timeline, every call, visit, and sample logged in order, so you see exactly what they've been doing, not just a count. Their open pipeline opportunities are listed too. Use this page before a one-on-one with that rep. Instead of asking generically how things are going, you can point to a specific account and ask about it directly. That's a coaching conversation grounded in real work.